aluminium plate market tells a different story than many would assume. No single company has a commanding grip on the industry. USCG Corporation leads the market with a 7% share, followed by Hindalco Industries Limited at 6% and Constellium SC with 5%. Further down, Arconic Corporation accounts for 3%, while Kaisa Aluminium Corporation contributes 2%. The top 5 companies hold a combined 23% share of the aluminium plate market, while the remaining 77% is distributed among numerous regional and specialized manufacturers. This competitive market is driven by a broad mix of players where innovation, product quality, and strong regional presence are key factors for long-term success. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident actions. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.